Hi guys, today we are going to make a miniature microwave for dolls. If you're ready, let's get started. Sides and height of the microwave will be 6 cm and its back will be 8 cm. Cut the design out. Fold the cardboard from the vertical lines. Put it on another cardboard and trace around it. Cut it out, make it 2. Glue it to the bottom of microwave. Glue the sides. Glue its top as well. Cut a piece of cardboard a little bit wider than side of microwave and place inside of it. Fold and glue the excess part to the right. Put the box on a piece of black craft paper and trace its all surfaces. After adding allowances, cut it out. Glue the back of box to the center of black paper. Glue its all surfaces one by one. Glue the allowances too. Now we are gonna cover its inside with white foam paper. For this, we need 5 pieces in 6 cm. Glue them one by one. Measure the panel in the right side. We are gonna cut a piece of cardboard as big as the panel. Cover the cardboard with aluminum foil tape. Glue the piece to its place. Cut a rectangle piece of blackboard paper for indicator. Glue it to the top of panel. Now we are going to make the lid. Measure its place. Cut the cardboard. Draw a rectangle inside of it. Cut it out. Cover it with craft paper. Don't forget to add allowances. Cut a piece from the Barbie's plastic cover for the glass. Glue it to its place. To make the plate, I'm using a circular shape of white foam paper. Make its feet by using foam paper strips. Glue the plate inside of the microwave. Make the buttons using black foam paper. Glue it to its place. I'm gonna use chopsticks to make holder. Cut it as long as the microwave. Cover it with aluminum foil tape. Glue it to its place. I'm gonna use a small hinge to attach the lid to the microwave. But you can also use cardboard by folding. Okay guys, today we made a miniature doll microwave. Hope you like it as much as I do while crafting. If you like it, give it a big thumbs up. If you have another doll craft suggestions like this, comment down below and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!